Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the NERF Strike Elite Firestrike right here. So these are what we got from our box right there. So we have some NERF manuals right here. This includes 3 Elite NERF darts, and of course our NERF Strike Elite Firestrike right here.
Perfect.
Okay, so for measurements, our NERF Strike Elite Firestrike right here is 22 cm in length, and 14 cm in height. In terms of weight, our NERF Firestrike weighs 197.9 grams. So in terms of the included peripherals and attachments for our NERF Firestrike right here, it's really not that much. So we are giving it a 3 out of 5 rating. So on to the features of our NERF gun for today. This has a standard grip right here, as you can see, and there should be a Strike Elite logo right there on our grip, and it's partially gray and black in color. There is our gray trigger right here. And just below that, that is the button for our red dot sight, which is included on our NERF gun right here. Here is another logo for NERF right on top of the gun. And this orange part right here on the back of the gun is what we use to arm our NERF gun. So on the top rail right here, you will see that you can attach a single scope right there, because there's a single rail right there, and of course the Firestrike label right before the barrel of our gun, which is right here. So this one right here is our red dot sight just below our barrel, and this one are slots for the Elite darts that we have. So of course our red dot sight is battery powered, although our NERF gun right here is spring loaded using this part right here to arm our gun. The red dot sight needs batteries, so our battery compartment is just down here. This is our gun grip, and our battery compartment is right here. So there's a single screw that we have to remove so that we can open our battery compartment. So that is our battery compartment right there. And our red dot sight for the NERF gun needs 2 AAA batteries to work. Make sure to follow the polarity of the positive and negative of the batteries, and you're good to go. Now we put the cover right here back on our NERF gun. Oh, there you go. The cover of our battery compartment is back on. Now it's time to test our red dot sight. So just below our gray trigger right here is the button to activate our red dot sight. So all we need to do is press this to activate our red dot sight. Now we can use the red dot sight to hit our targets with our NERF Strike Elite Firestrike right here. So the only features that counts on this NERF gun is the red dot sight right here, the slots for our Elite NERF darts below right there, and this single rail right here. So we are giving this NERF gun a rating of 3 out of 5 as well, for the features. So in terms of the grip or handling the Nerf gun when you are firing, this one tends to have a good grip. So I have fairly large hands right here, but when I take a grip on this small gun right here, it really does feel natural in terms of the handle, how I grip it like so, with 3 fingers below the trigger finger, and my thumb is resting completely on the opposite side right here. And I can completely and relaxedly fire the Nerf gun in terms of our grip right here. So in terms of grip and handling, we are giving it a rating of 4 out of 5. So in terms of ammo capacity for our Nerf gun right here, of course it is obvious that it is a front loader, meaning that you have to manually reload this one on the barrel right here. So there's no magazine or anything like that, and all we have is these elite dart slots just below our red dot sight right there. So that's all the ammo capacity that this Nerf gun gives us. So because of that, we are giving it a rating of 2 out of 5. So now I believe it's time to test the Nerf gun's accuracy using our usual Nerf gun targets. So let's do it. So there you go, guys. That was a great firing session, proving that the NERF N-Strike Elite Firestrike is really an accurate one using the red dot sight that comes with it. That's one of the great features of this gun. So that was really accurate. So to tally our overall scores on the NERF N-Strike Elite Firestrike right here, here are our scores. For included parts and attachments, we've given it a rating of 3 out of 5. For features of the Nerf gun, we have given this the same score, 3 out of 5. For grip and handling, we have given this a score of 4 out of 5. For ammo capacity, we have given this a score of just 2 out of 5. And for accuracy, I'm giving this one the perfect score. We are giving this a 5 out of 5 rating for the accuracy using the red dot sight right there. So overall, our rating for the NERF N-Strike Elite Firestrike right here is 17 points out of 25. So hope you like our unboxing and review for the NERF N-Strike Elite Firestrike right here. So if you do have the same Nerf gun right here, please comment down below if you agree with the ratings that we have given the Nerf gun. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf gun reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.